in this video, we'll be dive into SQL Window Functions. So these are the powerful tools that allows you to perform the calculation across the set of tables, rows that are somehow related to the current row. Just so these are the useful for tasks like calculating the running totals, like ranking the data, or comparing the values within the same data set. So let's get started with some easy example to see how they exactly works. So yeah, basically here you can check we have a sales table. So inside that we have sale ID, salesperson name, okay, sales amount and sales date. Now these SQL window functions perform the calculation across the range of rows related to the current row. Unlike related to a regular aggregate functions which returns a normal single result for the group of rows, same window functions returns the set of each row while considering the set of a row around it. So let's check it with the example. So this is a sales table where we have inserted 5 records in that table, and the first one is a row number. Row number is one of the window function. So how does it work? Suppose you want to assign the unique row number to each row within each salesperson's data. Here, how we can add a unique row number. So select salesperson, sales amount, sales date, and we are creating the row number. We are adding it over partition by salesperson. We are grouping the data with respect to that, ordering the data in sales date as row number from sales. Now I'll just execute this. As a result, you can check. So row number is a column I'm getting. So alias like this. Row number 1, 2, 3. Bob is again 1. Bob is again appearing for 2 times. So for each person, it is giving us a number. The next one, we have a sum. So let's here, we are calculating the running total sum of sales for each salesperson. So select salesperson, sales amount, sale date. I want to calculate the sum for sale amount column over partition by sale person, order by sale date as running total from the sales. Now, how this exactly it is working? So sum of sale amount is calculating the sum of sales amount. Then we have a partition by sales person. So this is like it resets the sum of calculation for each salespersons. Then we have order by sale date. So it computes the sum in chronological order. So if you check this one, you will be getting this. So if you check for the salesperson alias, the running total is 200. So 200 plus 300 is 500. Then this again 500 and plus 250, it's a 750. Again for Bob, it's a 150. Bob 250. So for running total, it's 150. Another record for Bob, 150 plus 250, it's again together 400. The same way, the next one, we have a rank. How this rank works? So this to the rank sales amount for each person's, like each salesperson's. Like this rank here, it's assigning a rank to each row number within the partition based on the sale amount. Then we have a partition by salesperson. So rank sales amount separately for each salesperson. So this rank is going to rank each sales amount separately for each salesperson and then order by sell amount in descending order. Now after that, it is going to rank in a descending order by the sale amount. If I run this one, you can check. Here is rank 1, alias rank 2, alias rank 3, Bob 1, Bob 2. So for each, it is assigning the rank. So that's a wrap on a SQL window function. Basically, just remember these functions are versatile and can be used for a wide range of tasks, like from simple rankings to the complex calculation over the partitions of a data you can perform it here. So thank you.